events have caps, and that means that they have limits to how many tickets they can sell in a single time slot. And that could be a very hard cap based on, for example, a trolley tour that has a specific number of seats available. Or it could be more of a loose cap, like at a haunt, where the caps may be based on, throughput and available staff for a particular night. So with TicketSignup's Wizard, we set up caps for each ticket type and for each day of the week. And we can use TicketSignup's caps page to view, edit, and manage caps throughout our event with a really easy to use and intuitive calendar. And so what we're looking at right now is our month overview of caps. And if your event goes across multiple months, you can see all that there. And this is showing us the number sold versus the tickets available as defined by the caps we've set. And when you have data in there, this is what it will look like. You have these nice progress bars. You can see exactly where you are, and you click into a specific day, and you can see, how many tickets have been sold for each of the ticket types and for time slots in this really friendly day view that is timeline driven. And so you can easily track things. When you're starting from scratch, like we are in our test event here, you can click into any day, and this is where you're going to be able to start making your edits. This little calendar is a really nice, easy toggle across different dates, and then this timeline is you have your general tickets here and your VIP tickets here. And you have these management options at the ticket level as well as at a specific time slot. And what this means is it's very easy to make bulk updates, and at the same time you can make a specific update to a single time slot based on what is actually happening at your event in real time. So let's go through these different levels of making updates. So you can click into Manage Caps, and we have two options here. We can either update the caps for all tickets that are for sale, general tickets, on October 3rd, this specific date, or we can update the caps for any Friday of our event. Let's just do this specific date. And what we see here is we are editing 7 different time slots, and we're going to override our default cap that was initially set at 55 tickets. And let's just bring this down to 25, for example. And this will just show how many tickets have already been sold as we are updating things in real time. And this is a really friendly, intuitive interface, but we can save that. And what you'll see here is that all these have been updated to 25 tickets available, but we go on to the 10th, and this is still at our default 55, same as the 17th, the 24th, the 31st. Let's say on Thursday we want to manage all these Thursdays, and rather than having 50 available per time slot, we're going to bump this down to, let's say, 10. And you'll see here now that both of these Thursdays have been updated, and there's many fewer tickets available, and we see each time slot has 10 available and 10 available on this Thursday. Similarly, we can just come in and let's say we're on site on the 29th and things are, going really well. We want to actually allow a few more people to come in at 8 p.m. So what we can do is click into a specific time slot, and we can say rather than having 50 tickets available, things are moving pretty well. Let's bump this up to 60. And again, we see that change is being made. And so this calendar management makes it super intuitive and easy to update your caps as, ticket sales are happening. And it also makes it really easy to track how many spots are still available with these calendar views. So whether your event has really strict caps or you are kind of managing them in real time and on site, TicketSignup's MTE Caps is a great solution because calendars make things very easy to manage, and caps are something that a lot of MTE events have to define, and these calendars just make it super, super simple.